Designing a room layout and working with a P5D file? This is a project from one of the most accessible home design tools available. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and continue working with these Planner 5D design project files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed acts as a quick test for P5D file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. P5D files are interior design and floor plan project files created by Planner 5D, a home design application available on web, iOS, and Android platforms. They contain room layouts with walls, doors, windows, furniture placements, material selections, and 3D rendering data for visualizing interior design concepts and architectural floor plans. Planner 5D P5D files use a proprietary format storing floor plan geometry, with wall dimensions, opening placements, and room boundaries. Furniture and decor objects are referenced from the Planner 5D catalog with position rotation and material customization data. The format includes 3D viewport settings for photorealistic rendering previews. Planner 5D maintains the integrity of the P5D specification through Planner 5D. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows doesn't display full design details, so reviewing these files properly requires CAD-capable software. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your P5D file and choose Open With. Test Planner 5D first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If you are still having trouble opening the P5D file, do not worry. Let's change direction. The failure confirms a hidden issue. Run through these 3 rapid diagnostic checks with me right now. First, opening in Planner 5D. Open P5D files through the Planner 5D application on your preferred platform. Sign into your Planner 5D account and access the project from your saved designs. The floor plan editor displays the 2D layout while the 3D view provides an immersive walkthrough of the design space with all furniture and materials rendered. Next, editing your design. In the 2D editor, modify room. Dimensions move walls and adjust door and window placements. Drag furniture from the catalog into rooms and customize materials, colors, and textures. Switch to 3D view to see real-time visualization of changes and fine-tune the interior design layout from a first-person perspective. Finally, exporting and sharing. Export designs from Planner 5D as high-resolution rendered images for sharing with clients or contractors. Use the snapshot tool to capture specific viewpoints in photorealistic quality. Share projects directly through Planner 5D's sharing features or export floor plans for reference during actual construction or renovation work. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.